Hi, my dear parents, children, and my brothers and sisters. I would like to bring to your notice about melatonin during this online class schedule because even my daughters also attending the online class. On behalf of all, I would like to share this important hormone, melatonin. It is one of the hormone produced by pineal gland in the brain that plays a role in sleep. It increases in our body when it is dark and decreases when it is light. It tells our body when to sleep and when to wake. That is our body's internal clock, circadian rhythm, nothing but internal clock. At night time, if we watch mobile, laptops, TV or tablets before going bed, we start to watch bright screen. This decreases the production of melatonin by the pineal gland. Without or less secretion of melatonin, we are unable to sleep at night. And our entire internal clock, circadian rhythm gets clashed. So dear children, parents, brothers and sisters, it's my humble request not to watch TV, laptops and mobiles before 1 hour to bed. This helps you to increase the secretion of melatonin, thus causes you to sleep and to take rest well and makes you feel fresh and happy next day without stress. That melatonin can be produced by two ways. One is natural and another one by artificial method. For example, from animals or from factories. Some of the food rich in melatonin are grapes, strawberries, tomatoes, mushrooms, peppers and cherries. And the side effects if we take the melatonin in pills form, that is in tablet form, it causes anxiety, stomach upset, headache, joint pain, all these. And it is strongly recommended by the doctors not to take the melatonin by diabetic, depression and bleeding disorder patients. I hope that hereafter you all will turn off your mobile, TV, laptops before 1 hour to bed to get good sleep. If it is helpful for you, definitely I feel very happy.